one other one is you might need more advisors in order to write more ROs.
I'd agree with that. I was going to say you didn't have that written down, but that was going to be the main thing is don't start talking about increasing RO counts until you're booked to the next day. Like, don't even have the discussion with anybody until you can handle the demand.
Don't even open your mouth.
Don't say a word.
Keep your mouth shut until your next day on complete engine rebuilds.
Yes. Everything.
That's good, though. I would say, though, besides new points, I don't have a big recollection of ever having to increase RO count. It's expensive and hard to do.
Unless, and this was the other thing I was going to say, is how many times have you gone to a service department and you put it back together and you fix it and you have a really high level of customer experience, and without advertising or doing anything, the RO count increases because happy customers are they're both coming back and talking to other people about it.
I would say scientifically somewhere around 100%.
Roughly, right? It could be 94. It could be 100, 117.
It could be 101 because there's only 100%.
Right. But the truth is that you build that system. That was the other thing that I had written down here is that RO count growth has to be done systematically and your business model has to be scalable. You can't put the ROs in first and think that you're going to figure it out. What you're going to do is you're going to send your RO count the other way because the more people that you have in here that are not happy are the less that are going to come back in 6 months.
Yeah. So you're asking the wrong question if you're asking about RO count. Fix the hard things that you don't understand, but actually are easier to do.
Okay. So before we go further, I think that the audience would probably really love your guidance on this is how does the service manager, so we've done a lot of calls and we're kind of asking those questions like the pulse of the industry or whatever. A lot of service managers are telling us RO counts. Where are they getting that from? Where do you think they're getting that narrative that they need to increase RO counts from?
I don't know. I thought it was them.
I think it's coming down from higher up. I think that it's coming down from the owners and general managers saying, hey, we had a reduction in RO count. We need to fix that this year.
Oh.
So January is a time that you kind of set the goals. So my belief is that I've talked to service managers that that have a really good head on their shoulders. They understand all the stuff that we're talking about with RO counts, but what they really need from you is guidance on how to manage up. So why do you think that the higher RO count is so attractive to owners and GMs?
Because they think about car sales and they think in volume.
Thanks so much for watching this clip of Service Driving Revolution. We're uploading new stuff every day, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. If you have a question you'd like us to answer on the show, call 8333-ASK-SDR and we'll answer your question on the show. That's 8333-ASK-SDR. For special deals on our books and training, head over to offers.chriscollinsinc.com. Now that's offers.chriscollinsinc.com. I'm Chris Collins, and I'll see you in the next video.